How does the funded account operate? Your trading will be based on the same account balance you used during the Zefunding evaluation and verification phase. In simpler terms, if you opted for a $100,000, you will oversee a funded account with a balance of $100,000. To maintain your standing as a funded trader, adherence to specific drawdown limits is imperative. Ensure that you do not exceed a 6% drawdown from the day's initial balance in the one-phase challenge, and 8% in the two phases challenge. What about profit allocation? With the funded account, you become entitled for up to 90% profit share during each withdrawal period. As long as you successfully steer clear of violating the drawdown limits and achieve profitability, you'll qualify for your initial payout within 7 days from your first trade. Subsequent payouts will follow every month. If you want more details about our profit payout process, refer to our FAQ guide on profit withdrawals for a more comprehensive understanding. What are the repercussions of failing to meet the requirements? If you breach the daily or overall drawdown limits within the funded account, your account will be promptly deactivated. In such an instance, you have the option to request another evaluation. Importantly, you won't be accountable for any losses. We assume responsibility for all your trading losses.